Okay guys, what's up? Back again on our daily repairs. Remember, we post videos each and every day for whatever we're fixing. So today we've got a glitch. So this is the glitch, this is the grill fix, that's the speaker there down. So the issue with it was not powering on, no power, no sound, nothing. So now it's fixed, but I want to show you my diagnosis process. How I went through the repair. Okay, so okay, so now it's fixed. You can hear it. Now you can see. So now it's fixed. So the issue with this one, it was actually several things that were wrong. So the first thing, remember, you can see here, it's got two power supplies. There is this small transformer here, and then there is this big transformer. So this small transformer, it produces the standby voltages, the 5 volts for standby, and then the bigger transformer is the one that provides the output for the speakers, which is the one that supplies this these big capacitors here. You can see here. So from here you can see it's for the speakers. There's ground there, plus and minus. So here this bigger voltages come out of here, and then from here that's where you get our standby. So our 5 volts is coming from here. So let us quickly measure the voltages. Here the 5 volts is coming from here, so I can just quickly so this is my 5 volts, 5.2, that's 5 volts. And then here the outputs for the speakers, let's measure them. The one should be negative, the other positive. So we are getting minus 20, it's okay, plus 23, that's positive 23. And then on this side we are getting minus 23. So the voltage difference is 46. That's the voltage difference, is 46. It's 46. Okay. So now let us focus on. Okay. So now let us focus on the standby. So the issue with the standby, it was let me try and flip it, maybe let's see if I can. Okay, so the issue with this one, there were some blown tracks. You can see here, there were some blown tracks, so I had to put a jumper wire to reconnect the bent tracks. And then on here there is an IC. It's a Viper 12 IC. It's a Viper 12 IC for the standby. It's a Viper 12 for the standby. So this was the faulty Viper. Oh, let me see if you can see it. That's the faulty Viper. We've changed it, and then we've got another. We put another Viper IC. You can see there, fitted, sorted. Right. So that was the issue with the standby. That was the easier part to fix. And then going to this side, to the other big transformer, that's where the challenge was. Initially, I tried to fix it the original way, but then I encountered some problems. So let me first take you through on my initial diagnosis process. The fuse was blown, and obviously the fuse doesn't blow on its own. Yeah, the fuse that doesn't blow on its own. And then the bridge rectifier was faulty. And then from the bridge rectifier, there was a MOSFET here that was blown. You can see part of the pins. Actually, this is the one. You see this one? That's the one. Yeah. So this is the one that we took off from here. It was mounted on this heatsink. So I just tore it off quickly because sometimes you don't want to waste time. So just tore it off quickly. And then also on the back, so that's the MOSFET, which is driven by an OB2269 IC. I've removed it, I've lost it even. You can't see it. I've lost it. It's small. I think I it dropped somewhere. Now I can't find it. So you can see where it was. You can see where it was. It was here. So it was here. So now, after trying to source the OP2269, it's not available. The option was to order it, and these orders from China, they take a long time, can take months. So I had to come up with another solution, which is equally good, because transformer is actually good for sound. So we put a toroidal transformer, then we cancelled this circuit. We cancelled this circuit from here. So we cancelled this circuit, and then we put a transformer with the two outputs. The transformer that you put is got two outputs. You can see there, because what we need is a negative and a positive voltage to go to these big caps here. You can see this voltage I was measuring here is the very same voltage that is on these big caps. Let's measure it. Let's try and put everything in frame. So this is it. You can see there, one of the voltages is there, and then the other one, well, obviously it's there, but well, let's not measure it because my props it's quite difficult for me to reach there. Okay, so this is what we did. We have got a transformer, the live and the neutral. The power comes in through this cable. It comes in through this cable. So the power for the 230 volts mains, we tapped it from the same plug going to the board, and we took it and put it to the transformer. So there's 230 going into the transformer.